using a Z-Man my friend gave me. Drop it to the bottom and jig it. Skip. I don't know what I'm planning. Hello again, so nice you guys to join me, and hopefully something cheaper. Beautiful morning Sunday. Oh wow, what is it? Buying that Z-Man scented. I gotta order some of these, you guys. Oh wow, can you believe this, you guys? Tautog on the Z-Man. Tautog. They are in, you guys. Wow. He told me he caught a lot of them on it. Look at this. It's a Z-Man scented. Z-Man. I left this on my kayak through the sun. Now they all melted. Hello once again, you guys. Going out solo again. Casting it. Let it settle down and just start jigging it. I gotta go to my spot and anchor for Tautog. They are in here. Caught one already with the Z-Man. Gotta keep a scum on this. Scented. Oh man, I get to like this jerk bait. No, it's Z-Man scented. Awesome, huh? Let's keep a scum on this, you guys. All right. Hopefully I can catch one. Anchor now. Looking for Tautog. This is not my spot. I gotta find it. Okay, one scum. That's how you catch it. Using squid. It took a long time. Alright, one scum. Hang around here for a while. Hopefully Tautog smelled the bait and come looking for it, man. I don't like the fishing on Sunday, but have to. Most of the time I'm working Saturday now. Look at this. I left in my kayak in the sun or whatever, and the bait melt. It's very tough, this Z-Man. Whoa, look at this. Another scum. Can you believe this? And I keep aside too. I didn't hold on to it. And it bite. Skipper. No need to use squid, huh? No need to use squid. It's so docile. Oh, look at this, guy. It's all. Drop it down. They're underneath the kayak. check out this. Oh, this not check out. This got Tautog. Sea bass. Artificial, really good, you guys, if they are very effective. Oh, a bit of the tail, a little bit. Alright. Okay. It's not a keeper. Should I stay here or what? But usually the small one they come first. Same sign. Hopefully the big one comes. Guys. They're coming, they smell the thing. Should be a keeper. Oh. Nope, not a keeper. Not a keeper, not a short. Not a short. Had like 10 small one. I don't know if this one's a keeper or not. This is my last time that I caught the 23 inches. Oh yeah, this one's a keeper. They know that I'm here. This one over 16. This one is over 16. Wow. Give me early shower, huh? Okay. Alright, you guys. I found my old spot, even though they took the lobster trap out. I should have learned how to use that. Waypoint. This one about 17, I think. I caught over there, it's like 16. Whoa. Just calm down, yep. 17 and a half. Oh, I didn't even go through his lip. Big one again. Whoa, this is a stiff rod, you guys. My flea market rod. Oh, take another dive. That's a third dive. Oh, there are a big one over here. Gee, man. There are big one over here. I got this, brought it from flea market, you guys. Oh, it's got about 19 at least, man. Yeah. Yeah. See that, you guys? I found my spot. Oh, he barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh man. Let's get that in the net. Probably about 18. Fight harder. Yeah. My second one. I should have come here a long time ago. Waste time over there. Not even hooked. Not even hooked. Fight like a 20, but you're like only 18. And a half, you guys. I'm getting good at this. I'm getting good at this, guys. Getting good at saying how big they are. You can tell the way they fight, and you know the size. Yeah. It's gonna be my secret spot, you guys. My secret spot. Alright. Okay. No. I kind of like this reel. Almost 19 inches. You handle the 42-inch striper and you can't handle this. What happened? What happened? Oh, nothing. I broke it. I broke. Dang it. I really broken. One monster here or what? I can see on my fish finder, you guys. On my side image. Damn. I wish I could. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, you guys. Damn. This is monster. This gotta be 20. Wow, there's fish down there. It's... Gee. Gee. So anything over 21, I can only keep one. Oh my god! I can only keep one fish. So this one gonna be over 21. Damn. They just come by, I guess. This is huge, guys. This is huge. I catch monster tautog, you guys. Okay. Look at this, you guys. Wow. This reels my friend Jesse recommended to me. He had for a couple years. Pistaphone or something like that. And this one is over 20 inches. Let's see how big you are. You beat my PB or not? I had a 25 a year ago. Didn't even go through, my God. Didn't even get through his lip on my tiny hooks. Wow. I saw a lot down there. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's cut another. Oh, it's perfect sign. Perfect sign. See, I can't get enough. I saw like 4 or 5 of them on my fish finder. Dang. Just cut the tip a little bit. Let's see. Get another one. Wow. That was crazy, you guys. That was crazy. I almost lost the wow. All set to come by. Oh man, they went past me. Something holding onto it again. Oh, nope. The crab kind of still alive, grabbed the bottom. I thought the fish grabbed it already. If the fish still there, would grab it. Alright. Oh, it's coming. You see this? You see this? Not a big one. It's a small one. Catch and release. Oh, sea bass. I need this guy. I need this guy. I need. Maybe this guy was down there. This one over 20. I am measuring. I have not measuring yet. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Monster tautog. Second time. This is my spot now. This is gonna be my favorite spot now. This one, wow, they came by. I saw on my fish finder. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn, man. You're so big. 24 and a quarter. I beat my last time was here. Bit of loosen. Well, my biggest one this year. Feel like a good sign. Oh yes, that is a good sign. 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 Oh. Whoa. If you're over 21, I gotta let you go. Wow, this is the best year ever for me, for the talk, you guys. I love this rod. I got it for like 10 bucks, 10 or $15. What's his name? The yellow rod. Maybe you guys know him. This is a Wright and McGill. I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods. They don't make this anymore. And wow, another monster, you guys. Over 21, I gotta let go. You can't keep them. Yeah, this one is over. This one is over. So you guys, we showed you. I cannot keep this one. I cannot keep this one. I cannot keep this one, you guys. Look at this. You see that? Almost the same size. It's probably smaller. It's not even go through its lip. Oh yes. Oh, this is the best day ever. I cannot keep this, you guys. Oh, I cannot keep it. I cannot keep this guy. 23 and 3/4. Check this out, you guys. Oh, hope you're okay. It should be okay. Yeah. I didn't get to revive. Yes. Go down. Yes. He go down. Yes. It's success release. Oh yes. Oh wow. My best day ever, you guys. Oh, I love Tautog fishing, Rhode Island. Woohoo! Wow. Yes. I release a monster. 23 and 3/4. Wow, you guys. My homemade bungboard. Ooh. I saw another one on my fish finder. Couple more down there. Oh my god. Oh, small one. Man, I gotta get more of this reel. small one. Dang. That side image works good, man. You can see the fish. Yes. We still have plenty of crab left, man. Oh, kind of jammed. Well, you guys, I gotta save my batteries. Hope I can catch something else. Save my battery. I released one big talk for you guys to see already. Gonna be plenty more. Let's do one more. Oh man. Alright, you guys. Want to say goodbye before my battery ran out. And yeah, thank you guys for like and share my video. And please subscribe, and if you haven't already yet subscribed, I got another one. Look at this. It's hold on to it already. I wait for it to take a run. Come on. Oh no. It was in the fish. I thought I got stuck in the bottom, or it was in the fish. Now it's fish. Look at this. Tap, tap, tap. Alright, you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for my old and new subscriber. You guys are fantastic. You guys keep me going. And thank you very much, you guys. See you next. Alright, you guys. I'm switching back to scup now. I stopped catching Tautog. Whatever left in my time, my battery. So let me show you some scup action. I caught like maybe almost 10 scup so far that I ever catch this past month, except the early spring. All right, get some scup. No sea bass, you guys. I limit out my Tautog. Right now, going for scup. They've been eating my crab down there. I know they're down there. So now I switch to squid. Just a perfect, so I can catch them. It's all good sign, legal sign. Hope the Tautog don't eat the squid. Oh, good sign. It's gotta be a good size scup. Hopefully not the Tautog. Man, that's not scup, that's sea bass. Didn't shake. Didn't shake, it's sea bass. I know it. I knew it. It's not a keeper. Maybe. Nah. 16 and a half. Let's see how big you are. Oh, shit. $16.25, you guys. Oh, 16.25. I got all slimy on my pants. That's why I wear the rain pants, so I don't get my outer pants wet. And the raincoat, rain jacket here. one place catch multiple species. This is scup. This is scup, and it's a good sign. It's a legal sign. You know it, they pull differently. Oh yes, they are in. I need some scup. Let's get some scup. This one bait caught like 4 scup already. Best day for overcast, you guys. I love overcast. Can't say enough. I always do good when overcast. I got back home and this is what I catch today. It's not a bad outing. This time didn't take that long because I know where they are now. So I got a 24 and a quarter, a 20 and a 19, and a couple of scups. So yeah, you guys, I'm glad to get home early. The hard part is clean everything up now. So yes, you guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. And yeah, you see I released another one, 23 and 3/4, and that's the first time I released the big, because I can't keep them. Anything over 21 I cannot keep them. Oh man. All right, you guys, anything over 21 I cannot keep them. I only can keep one, so my battery almost running out. So thank you guys for like and sharing my video, and I really appreciate it. I see you next time on the water. Goodbye.